Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I got for you a different place to film in, and I'm so excited guys. So I hope you like it, and also tell me in the comments if is everything alright. I'm still adjusting the lights and the microphone and everything else, so I really hope that you like this kind of videos much as I'm loving it. So for today's video I got for you this dramatic makeup look, and I really hope that you enjoy. So if you wanna see how I got to look, stay tuned and let's begin. I got my brows and also my skin done, and I did this eye off of camera just to show you guys. And before I continue, my dog is walking in my room. And before I continue this video, I got a lip mask by SigmaBeauty. This is a conditioning lip mask. I really like it because it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and jojoba oil. So it's very good, and I decided to apply before I continue this makeup with you guys. Next, I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow base. Today I'm gonna use P.Louise again as my eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid. So I take just a small amount like this, and I'm gonna spread it out. And for today's look, I'm gonna use Cinderella palette by SigmaBeauty. This palette, guys, for me is everything because I really love the quality and also the packaging, and everything here is gorgeous, as you can see. So to begin, I'm gonna use I'm gonna use a eyeliner first. So before I do anything else, and I just have my eyeshadow base, I'm gonna apply a eyeliner by Huda Beauty, and this is the eyeliner pen. I'm gonna just create the shape of my makeup look, as you can see here in this side. So I just got my shape first, and next I'm gonna apply the eyeshadows. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the black eyeshadow from the palette. Now, using a small brush like this, I'm gonna take a little bit of the black eyeshadow and apply it just in the outer corners of the eyes. So I'm gonna take this one and filling this little gap. Next, I'm gonna use the darkest purple shade, and I'm gonna apply by side of the black. Next, with a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna apply this purple shade in the eyelid and also a little bit in my crease. Next, in the inner third of my eye, I'm gonna apply a little bit of translucent powder, and today I use it in my skin Laura Mercier, so I'm gonna use the same powder here just to highlight and also below the brows. And now I'm gonna take another brush just to diffuse the edges of these eyeshadows and mix them together. And now before I apply my fake lashes, I can leave it like this, which I really like, or also I can create some details in this makeup look. So I'm gonna use Pigment by NYX. I really love this color, especially for brides, and it's a really wearable shade. I really like this one. So I'm gonna create this little detail in the eye with the pigment and also a little bit of the setting spray by Jared Cosmetics, and this is the shade Cucumber. This is the fragrance Cucumber. I'm gonna apply just a little bit in the lower lash line just to continue this smoky eyes. So I just applied my fake lashes by Velour, and now I'm gonna apply lipstick. So today I'm gonna use liquid lipstick by SigmaBeauty, and this is the shade Awaken. This color is stunning, guys, and I really love the formula of this liquid lipstick. And the lip liner that I'm gonna use is from Melt Cosmetics, and this is the shade Nudist. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it much as I do. Oh my god, I'm in love with these purple eyeshadows and all the eyeshadows in this palette. As you can see, they are amazing, guys. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. And also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work and to be with me there as well. So I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!